Hi and welcome. It's Peg, and today I'm going to do a few alcohol ink backgrounds to make some fun greeting cards. I'm going to be using Yupo alcohol ink blender, and of course, all of those fun things that make alcohol ink so interesting. So come along, watch my play. Well, that's fun, isn't it? This one I'm using some of those pearl alcohol inks from Ranger. They actually have mica or something in them because there are little speckles of that on the paper that you don't see in the other mixatives or additives that I use. So just going to continue to play, going back and forth between my mixatives, my alcohol inks, all the additives that you can get in here. And I'm creating backgrounds. I'm going to use some alcohol lift ink and some other things and create using these backgrounds. And here I'm just soaking up some of that excess ink on another piece of paper because I don't want it to go to waste. And I will continue to add colors. On the left I have yellow, on the right I have blue, you know, trying to stay within family groups. And I will continue to create. So this was some heavyweight Yupo paper, and I continued to use up all the 5x7 sheets that I had in this particular pack. You can get this on Amazon, and if you're interested in shopping my Amazon store, I have links down below if you click the More button in the description box. So you can see I have a whole bunch of backgrounds created now, and now I'm going to make something from them. So here we go. Okay, I'm using a stamp positioner and stamping with Versamark ink and using some gold fine and detail embossing powder. And I'm just going to emboss this image from Tailored Expressions on top of my Yupo alcohol ink background. Going to cut that down into a workable piece for a card size, and I will continue to assemble as we go. One of the things that I like to do is pull some of the colors out of the background to use for my matting and framing of artwork. As you see, I'm pulling out the blues that you see in the background to create the mat, and then I will add the gold that is in the embossing powder, and that just emphasizes the colors that I'm using. Now here I have punched out some hello punches, and I'm layering them up. I've got about 3 of those hello in cardstock, and then I'm going to use the same gold paper, decorative paper, to put on top of that to make my greeting for my greeting card. And I'm just using some art glitter glue that dries clear to attach that to the front of my card. This is a top folding standard card, 5.5 by 4.25, and I'm going to continue to assemble using these backgrounds. Now this is a stamp set from Stampers Anonymous. It has these decorative floral images, and I thought if I stamped those in black against those bright colors, they would stand out beautifully. So that's my intent, is to put a black image on here and see what I can get.